A powerful winter storm is currently battering Calgary and surrounding areas across southern Alberta, creating dangerous conditions and widespread disruption. The system continues to move slowly through the region, maintaining its strength and keeping much of the city under severe winter weather impacts. Heavy snowfall paired with strong, persistent winds has produced blizzard-like conditions across large sections of Calgary. Snow is accumulating rapidly on roads, sidewalks, parking lots, and open spaces, quickly overwhelming clearing efforts and making travel increasingly difficult throughout the city. Visibility has dropped sharply at various times as gusting winds sweep loose snow across streets and highways. Blowing snow has reduced sightlines to near zero in some locations, making even short-distance travel extremely dangerous under the current conditions. As winds continue to intensify, snow is being driven across exposed roadways, forming deep drifts that block lanes and hide icy surfaces underneath. Drivers are encountering sudden whiteout conditions that leave little time to react. Authorities are strongly urging residents to avoid all non-essential travel as conditions continue to deteriorate. Numerous collisions have already been reported, along with multiple vehicles becoming stuck in snowdrifts on major roads and secondary routes alike.
Man, I'll tell ya, sure feels good to be a native Albertan today. I was just built different.
Key highways connecting Calgary with other parts of Alberta have experienced significant slowdowns and temporary closures. Jackknife transport trucks and multi-vehicle accidents have forced officials to shut down certain stretches to prevent further incidents. Emergency responders across the region are stretched thin as they work to assist stranded motorists and clear blocked roadways. Crews are facing difficult conditions as drifting snow and reduced visibility slow response times. Police, fire services, and road crews continue to respond to new incidents as they are reported, prioritizing life-threatening situations. Officials warn that response times may be longer than usual due to the ongoing storm. At Calgary International Airport, winter weather has caused operational disruptions throughout the day. Heavy snowfall and poor visibility have led to temporary pauses in flight activity as safety becomes the primary concern. Airport crews are working continuously to clear runways, taxiways, and aircraft, but passengers have been warned to expect delays and possible cancellations. Airlines are adjusting schedules as weather conditions change hour by hour. Meteorologists report that strong wind gusts are intensifying the storm's overall impact. These winds are driving snow across open areas and contributing to the formation of large, compacted drifts along roads and infrastructure. While snowfall rates may gradually decrease later in the day, blowing snow is expected to persist. This continued movement of snow will likely keep visibility low and road surfaces slick well into the evening hours. Temperatures across southern Alberta have dropped sharply as a mass of cold Arctic air settles over the region. Daytime temperatures remain well below freezing, adding another layer of danger to already treacherous conditions. Wind chill values are making temperatures feel significantly colder, increasing the risk of frostbite for anyone exposed to the elements for extended periods. Officials warn that uncovered skin can be affected in a matter of minutes. Overnight temperatures are expected to remain bitterly cold, allowing icy conditions to persist on untreated roads and sidewalks. The prolonged cold snap is forecast to keep winter conditions firmly in place over the coming days. City services remain on high alert as snowplows and sanding trucks operate around the clock. Crews are focusing on major roads, emergency routes, and public transit corridors to maintain access where possible. Residential streets are being cleared as conditions allow, though officials note that drifting snow may undo progress in some areas. Residents are reminded to shovel sidewalks and remove snow from vehicles to improve safety. Authorities are also encouraging people to check on elderly neighbors and those with limited mobility during the extreme cold. Community support remains critical as weather conditions continue to challenge daily life. Communities south of Calgary and in surrounding rural areas are experiencing similar severe conditions. Blowing snow has reduced visibility on secondary roads, making rural travel especially dangerous. Local officials continue to monitor the situation closely in coordination with transportation and emergency management teams. While no fatalities have been officially confirmed, numerous weather-related incidents remain under review, and residents are urged to remain cautious until conditions fully improve.